how to create a free Zoom account in PC. Hello guys and welcome to this video. And today we're going to talk about this platform called Zoom. And over here right now we are currently in Zoom, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on sign up for free on the top right. After doing this, we would be redirected to this page. We're simply going to enter our birth year just like that. Click on continue. We're going to enter our email address. I'm going to put this like that. Click on continue, and then we're going to check our email for a code that is sent to our email 6317. Then we're going to click on verify, and then after doing that, we're simply going to put in our name just like that, our last name, and then a password just like that. And then you could either enable for educators or not. We're simply going to click on continue. And just like that, you have now finished creating your own account in Zoom. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.